I'm attorney Henry Teisch at Grimes Teisch Anderson. I'm a North Carolina board-certified specialist in workers' compensation law. Today I want to talk to you about workers' compensation nurse case managers. Many of our seriously injured clients will have a nurse case manager paid for by workers' compensation assigned to their case while they're being treated. Nurse case managers are bound by their professional ethics to provide unbiased, objective opinions. What nurse case managers can do and cannot do is governed by the rehabilitation rules of the North Carolina Industrial Commission. At your first meeting, the nurse case manager is required to give you a copy of these rules or a summary of the rules. You can also find these rules yourself on the North Carolina Industrial Commission website. In North Carolina, generally, workers' compensation picks the doctors, although you usually do have the right to a second opinion, and in certain circumstances, the right to change doctors. The authorized treating doctor directs the care. The workers' compensation nurse case manager's goal is to assist an injured worker to be restored as nearly as possible to their pre-injury level of functioning. The nurse may set up appointments, coordinate referrals ordered by the doctor, obtain medical records, and report back to the insurance company about the progress of your case. Often they'll want to attend medical appointments to talk with the doctor about your case. It's usually a good idea to bring someone you trust with you when you meet with the doctor, so you can both hear what the doctor says and also to help bring up something in case you forget. I also suggest writing down your questions prior to your appointment. If the nurse case manager wishes to talk with the doctor, you have the right to first meet with the doctor privately, although you may decide you want the nurse there at the same time. That's your decision. But keep in mind, except in very rare circumstances, the nurse cannot discuss your case with the doctor without you being there too. That's important because you need to know what the nurse says to the doctor and vice versa, and to be given the opportunity to speak up if you need to. A nurse case manager can help you when there are problems with prescriptions or appointments, and they can help explain your treatment. They can assist with coordinating, such as physical therapy appointments, needed equipment, or MRI scheduling. There are wonderful nurses out there that are fair and knowledgeable and are trusted by injured workers, their attorneys, workers' compensation, and the medical providers. They really provide a valuable service to all concerned. Most nurses are conscientious and competent. However, the various rehabilitation companies compete for workers' compensation's business, and some rehab nurses seem to care much more about what workers' compensation insurance wants and less so about the medical needs of the injured worker. Or they don't carefully follow the rules that are meant to keep the system fair to all concerned. If you think this is happening to you, it may not be your imagination. Hopefully, this information is helpful to you. If you have any questions or think you might need a lawyer to represent you in your workers' compensation case, please call for a free consultation. Thank you for watching this video.